Hello and welcome to Little Champs Learning. Today we are going to start one of the important topic in mathematics known as geometry. Geometry is branch of mathematics that studies the sizes, shapes, angles and dimensions of things. Geometry has basic elements which help us to form and represent patterns and shapes, make predictions or visualize things using 3D images. It helps us to understand the properties of objects and space. Today we will see the three most basic elements in geometry, which are point, line and planes. Let us start with a point. A point in geometry shows location. It has no size, no length, no breadth or depth. It is just a dot made in space. The point shows the location, whether it is at the beginning or the end of a line, it is the center or the corner of a closed figure. Point is represented by a capital letter. Let's move to the next basic element in geometry called as. Now, let's see two points, namely point A and point B. If someone needs to travel from point A to point B using the shortest route possible, to do that, he will need to go straight from point A to point B. Look at this. Most of us call this is a line, but in geometry, we call this as line segment. A line segment is a special type of line where it has a beginning and an end point. So in this example, it starts at point A and ends at point B. This is called as line segment. If this is called as line segment, then what is a line? Line is the next most basic element in geometry. It is the collection of points in straight path that extends indefinitely in two directions. It has no thickness. Line goes on forever, so it is almost impossible to show a line which goes on forever. So to draw a line, we need to do is just to pass two endpoints a little bit and then draw two arrows to show that it keeps on going. Here I would like to introduce one more special type of line. It's called ray. A ray is special type of line which has one end point and one side goes forever. So we put arrow on one side to show it keeps on going. Let's see how to denote line segment and ray. A line segment has a definite length, a fixed length you can say. So instead of writing a line segment AB, we can just write AB and can put a small segment on top of it. And to represent line AB, instead of writing line AB, we can write AB and we can put two arrowhead on top of it. And to represent a ray BC, we could just write BC and one arrowhead we can put on top of it. So this was how to represent the basic elements. Let's move to the next basic element in geometry called as plane. Plane is flat surface with no thickness or boundary. It extends in all directions without an end. Though it is almost impossible to show plane, but for our imagination, we can just say anything which is flat and 2D could be a plane, say screen of a mobile, writing paper or window pane or the top of a table. All the things are plane. Plane is basically a two-dimensional object. It has two dimensions. You can go up and down or you can go left or right. A line on the other hand is one-dimension object. We can just travel back and forth on the line. So line is one dimension and the plane is a two-dimension. A line can be made by connecting any 2 points in plane, whereas a plane can be achieved by connecting 3 points. Let's see if we can connect point A and B. If we connect point A and B, we get a line. But if we connect point ABC, we get a triangle. So is triangle a plane? It is the same way if you see a difference between line segment and line. Line segment is a part of line and line has no definite length, it goes on forever. The same way the triangle has three sides, it is a closed figure and it cannot be extended. Whereas if it can be extended, we can call that as a plane. So plane is any 3 points we can say when we join together and can be extended to any direction. And we can assume triangle is a part of a plane or it is a smaller part of plane, and any 3 points joined together can be considered as plane. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel if you like it and press the bell icon. See you in the next video.